Hello, this is Forrest with Forrest Buys Houses. I want to take a minute and show you guys the repair addendum for this property. This is 2105 Springdale Road in Richmond, Virginia. So without doing too much, let me see if I can come over here. So repair addendum, railing, weather stripping, screening, service panels, circuitry, receptacles, controls, sinks and drip trays, insulation, power ventilation, and then sump pump pipe. And then also, we're going to walk through and show each of them, okay? So this, let's see what I do here. So this was a outlet in the kitchen that was not tripping the GFI, but we come over here and we can see that it did indeed trip it. So now it's back on, okay? So all of them work, I promise. All right, so come over here, push the button, and then, all right, so GSI is working the kitchen, all right? And then there's one right here, just in case anybody wanted to argue. Oh, there we go, ready? All right, everybody happy? All right, so that was that, and then the GFCIs in the bathroom work, I promise. So let's see. So let's just go through the list. So the railing, we did this railing right here, and then we did this railing right here, and then we did this railing, which was on the addendum that went down there. So basically the problem, the first one is it stopped short there. So we did it all the way, okay? Weather stripping, this is the weather stripping for the door. This is the back door at the kitchen. And then we have weather stripping was already done on the basement door, but we have also on this door here, which is our front door, our baby blue door. And so you can see that the weather stripping was done on this one. Okay. And then we come over here and we look at the weather stripping on this door. So we got weather stripping all the way around. Is this video making you guys dizzy yet? All right, so that is that. All right, now screen. We had to fix this screen that was damaged right here. And so we were able just to rebend the frame. Say hi to Dwayne. We were able just to rebend the frame out and then reset the original screen because it wasn't damaged. All right. Service panels disconnect. We'll go do that. We'll jump around. Let's go upstairs. So have a qualified contractor remedy the dead receptacle upstairs. All right. We did that. And then the installation was done in the attics, and I'll show you that as well. So that one right there was not working, so we replaced that one, and it is working. So here, in all these crawl spaces, these eave walls, okay, needed insulation. So let's see, can we get back in there, see all the insulation that we installed? Okay, so we did it. It was 400 square feet of insulation, in case anybody wants to know, okay? And so we did it in that one. This is the master bedroom, did it in that closet. And then we did it in this one. And that is actually, this is the other bedroom, the second upstairs bedroom. And that is actually the one that the picture was taken on the inspection report, okay? And then in the attic, we took care of the conductors that were exposed and did everything we needed to do up there with either junction boxes and blank covers, combination of both, or just the blank cover, okay? All right, so now, I'm trying not to get you guys dizzy, but I don't think I'm a pretty good videographer, so. All right, so we had done the piping here. So let me show you. Yeah, so you got your pipe there that goes down, that's your dryer vent. You can actually see the daylight from the cover. And then this one is piped down and goes out too, and I'll show you guys that stuff in a minute. Okay, so that takes care of that issue. And then let's see. Okay, so let's go look at the drain line. Let's go down to the basement and we'll look at that. Okay, we just had a really significant rain down here, and so this basement's nice and dry. Really did a good job. So the last inspection report had, sump pump system. So what we did is we installed a brand new sump pump system, okay? And we did a new well. By the way, it is bone dry, right? And we had a couple inches of rain the other day. So this basement does pretty good. New sump pump, okay? New pipe and new check valve. And then this thing is piped up. Let me plug this thing back in. We were working on it. All right, so this thing runs up. So sump pump well runs over to here, okay? And it runs through the foundation right there. All right, and then the panel was taken care of. Okay, so we can see by looking over there, that is the sump pump pipe, that white one that goes out. That's right in the middle of the screen. And then you cannot see very well the other pipes, but you can see them now. You can see where they exit. You see the metal pipe, and then you can see the 1-inch pipe right there. And those are for the laundry room, okay? So all that was taken care of as well. And so this basement looks pretty good. So now we go to right here, and this is the new railing that we were talking about. And I'll just show you where all the pipes exit the building. We took them as far away from the basement as we could. So that right there is the sump pump, okay? And then that right there is the vent and the 1-inch overflow for the laundry machine, and then that's the dryer, okay? And then the water spigot over here, I'll show you real quick. This was the water spigot that they said needed to be reattached. And so we have secured it. It's not going anywhere, okay? And we used hydraulic cement for that. So that's it. 2105 Springdale. Yeah, this is the place. All right, y'all have a great day, and I appreciate everything you guys have paid attention to on these videos, and thank you so much. All right, y'all take care. Bye-bye.